What's up Zimbabwe, what's up Africa, what's up people? It's your boy J Garnet, aka the CEO. Welcome to today's episode of Challenge a Chef with J Garnet. Today we have a chef all the way from Bulawayo. So what happens is we are going to give a surprise package of ingredients, and then as a chef, as a proper chef, she's going to make a dish or a proper meal, solid meal out of those ingredients, and then we are going to talk about it. Stay tuned.
My name is Nonhlanhla Moyo and my pseudonym is Mimi. Personally, I'm into baking, so endume ngakho ngikwenza ama-cake amnandi ahlukene labanye abantu, like new amazing cake flavors that people have never tasted before.
Hi chef.
Hi Garnet.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
Good. What's your name by the way?
I'm Nonhlanhla Moyo.
Nonhlanhla Moyo. Welcome. Good to meet you.
To you.
Right. Right here with me, I brought you some ingredients, and then see what you can prepare for us, and then we sit on the dishes and then we talk about them.
Okay.
Let's go. Alright, like I said, the spices here, we have black pepper, white pepper, cayenne, we have rosemary and mint, as you can see here. And then you can just go through the rest and see what you can make for us. All the best.
Thank you. I have a registered company entitled Dough Bubble Bakery, though it's still a small business, still growing. I'm a customer amaningi. They are usually people who are hosting events such as birthday parties, those people ababalama rora lobola events, they'll be wanting those cakes, even those people ababalama wedding. Yeah. And also for birthday parties, I do platters. Since abanye abantu babengafuni ama-rice lani, so they come to me mbayenzela ama-platter to eat kuma parties abo esifort. I think a challenge in the baking sector is that a lot of people are into the sector, right? So there is intense competition there. So I think as a solution for that, there's really a need for intensive advertising, like the advertising techniques as a customer lawo as a baker company yakho, and also like people are now used to the chocolate flavors, the red velvet. I think there is a need to be creative and innovative by introducing new flavors, new things to satisfy consumer changing preferences, needs and tastes. I think abantu mabebuya befuna ama-cakes, be it platters or so. I think sometimes kumele bangathi babe specific to say, I want a vanilla cake, I want a chocolate cake, like mentioning the already well-known flavors. I think they should give us the platform to say, explore, just do something nice for me, something that I would really enjoy. I'm giving you the platform to give me something that I've never had before, not for them to demand the already well-known existing flavors that we've tasted before. My favorite cake of all times for me is the fruit cake. I have my own secret recipe for that one. You can attend all the weddings, all the events where you get to be served the fruit cake, but if you try mine, it's just superb and it's different. I assure you that. Then when it comes to sponge cakes, it's the lemon poppy seed cake. That's my best flavor. One of my strongest points is handling pressure, and so it's not really a challenge for me to manage my school life and my side hustle, like being a baker. It's manageable, it's easy. When it's time for school, I focus on that and read and make sure I nail it on that side. When I have clients, I make sure I also satisfy their needs and wants as per their preferences. I never fail to balance both. I always manage. Most of the times I get maybe in a day you get to have 3 customers or so, and it takes time. Ukwenza ikhekhe eli-1 ukuthi ulenze libe lihle. They need to be creative, ukreathele umuntu i-design azayithanda, something different. So yeah, basically that's what I can say about a typical day for me. It's usually busy, straining. Since I already have a registered business that is still small, operating from home, my future plans are to grow and expand my business to be a big firm that is well known out there with a wide market share in the industry, and also to be the best well-known auditor as I'm starting my accounting studies this year last.
Welcome back to the show, Challenge Chef with J Garnet. So finally, as you can see, our chef has done the things. Nonhlanhla, I see you've done really well. How was it at the kitchen?
Well, I can say it was challenging, however, it was a great experience to experience.
All right.
Well, I would just say it's egg pasta with some chicken stew that has spices like the black pepper, white pepper spice, the rosemary. Yeah.
Okay.
It's just a simple dish.
And what inspired this? You know, you could have done anything different with the chicken or the vegetables or the spices, but you settled for this one. So what inspired it?
Personally, I'm a fan of stews, so that's why I did the chicken stew, and I like mixing things, so that's why I just mixed everything together to come up with one dish out of it all.
All right. So hey, I'll wait for your word. Shall we dig in?
Yes.
All right. We are about to dig in, beautiful people. And as soon as we finish eating, I will tell you what I think about the dishes, isn't it? Stay tuned. All right, welcome back, beautiful people. Welcome back, good people. So, may I have dug in? I've already found out what I was looking for. So, Nonhlanhla, it's not a bad dish. Myself, I'm a fan of chicken. So, I have, I have very serious preferences when it comes to chicken. The first thing is I would need it to be tender, so I couldn't find that here. Yes, and number two was plating, your plate presentation. So this is pasta. I'm sure everyone else can agree with me. When you serve pasta, you just put it under, and then everything else just comes at the top. So for plating, I'll give you, out of 5, I'll give you a 2. As for the cooking, the pasta, out of 5, I'll give you a 3. Why? Because it tastes a bit undercooked. As for the chicken, and I'll give you a 3. It's fine, I can eat it, but it's a bit hard. For the mixing, the way you mixed your spices, and everything else, I loved it. I think I'll give you a 4 out of 5 for that. So basically, we can say it was a good dish. It was a good dish, but not. So, Nonhlanhla, what were the challenges that you faced when you were making this plate?
The challenges that I faced were being given new ingredients, like seeing new things that I've never seen before with new names that I couldn't even pronounce.
Okay.
Yeah. And those were the challenges that I had. I didn't even know how to cook it. The recipe was not even there on the outer coverings. So yeah. We were judging this plate out of a total of 20. So you just got yourself a 12. Any comment? Are you happy, or judging from the process, the ingredients, and all? I think I'm happy because I didn't expect to score that high, like above the, almost close to the average mark. So I think I'm more than happy.
All right, that's good. So in future, what are you taking from this?
I think the lesson that I'm taking from this is that creativity is important in this food industry.
Yes.
Given whatever thing that you come across in the food industry, you should take the challenge and come up with something, like be innovative, be creative. So that's a lesson for me. Even if it's something new for you, try and think outside the box and come up with a solution of what people expect to get out of that.
Awesome. There you have it, beautiful people. Nonhlanhla just gave us a dish, and she scored a 12 out of a 20. Yeah, shout out to you.